Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. There is not much more to add to the previous update, but I give you my daily GALA update. We are currently still waiting for a signal that GALA has bottomed locally here somewhere in this region. It's not back in support yet, but chances are high that it will drop a little lower into support. Did highlight to you there are still two bullish scenarios left. First of all is the one that you see on the screen, in which the scenario is that we rallied off the 10th of March low in a wave 1. Then we had here our A wave, a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. This could also become something more complex like a WXY, but I would count it as both part of the same scenario, otherwise it will get too confusing. So this would just simply be WXY, and then in the Y wave, because Bitcoin is doing the same like an ABC, yeah, possible, A wave, B wave, C wave. Just want to mention it because there could be a corrective bounce before we get the final low. But the condition is we need to hold the yellow box, 3.35 cents, to move up in a third wave in this particular scenario. Alternatively, the wave 2 is already in here, or was in on the 27th of March, but the move up is just not 5 wave like. Yeah, it could be a leading diagonal, but then it would literally need to turn around now to the upside. Then we could count it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, but the structure just doesn't make it very likely. Now, what happens if we drop below 3.35 cents? Well, there is one more bullish case left. There is one more bullish scenario left. In this scenario, we obviously rallied, and this is anyway the view that we rallied in a larger wave 1 between the end of December and end of January. That we rallied here in a wave 1, and then the move down, however, to the 10th of March was not a wave 2. It was in the alternate perspective, an A wave. This corrective mess that we're doing here is some kind of a B wave, might even get another high, and we would then come down in a C wave and reset large wave 2 that bottom currently on the 10th of March. That wave 2 will sit here. But then it needs to hold 2.57 cents. So for me, I've got like, the 3.35 cent level, yellow box, which would be a first warning if that is broken. The second warning, and basically near invalidation of the bullish count, would be a break below 2.57 cents. So as long as 3.35 is holding, I see no trouble. But below that, trouble will start, and it will get more difficult. And yes, there is one more chance to hold 2.57 cents, but I wouldn't be highly confident in it anymore. So market still needs to make sure we're holding the 3.35 cent level. And first indication that we have a local low in place here would be a break above the dotted lines here. So 4.29 cents would be a good start. And then we can also talk about a target for the third wave. But first of all, it needs to show us some signs it's turning around. At the moment, I don't have that. But yeah, I still think it should do it. But below 3.35 cents, I have to change my view. That's a bit of a signal level. Below that level, it's a signal that things aren't turning out as they should do as per this wave count. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.